right here.
Hasn't been super busy.
Are we still growing out the mullet?
I think so, yeah. I just want to do it shorter on top than I have been.
Okay.
Short enough that I can still church it up a little bit, but like a lot shorter than it currently is. It's getting to the point where it's like too long to really do anything with. Have you guys had Finnley here running around?
Oh yeah.
Does she like it?
She loves it.
A lot more space.
Yeah, she'll just run up and down that hallway we have in the back. How's work treating you?
Oh, great. It's been awesome. We're doing like a massive party tonight. So
Go until midnight?
we're going until past midnight probably. Like we're scheduled till 1 a.m. But I think it's gonna go longer. We're gonna be having like music and cocktails and all that stuff.
Yeah, I had my favorite cocktail in Disney of all places.
Oh, really?
Star Wars.
Oh.
They have one called Jet Juice. And I really want to replicate it, but there's a lot of ingredients that I have to have mailed.
Yeah. What is it?
So it's a double shot of Makers,
Okay.
and I think there's a little bit of pomegranate juice, chili liqueur.
Mm-hmm.
It's got enough burn for you to know it's
Yeah.
there, but not enough to make it unpleasant.
That sounds good. I didn't realize, I mean, I guess it makes sense, but I didn't realize that they sold like craft alcohol at Disney. But that makes sense. How was the overall Star Wars experience? Because I heard it's like really hard to walk around there. Although you guys went in October, so it might not be that bad.
Yeah, our experience was really nice.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah, I wish we could have gone to Universal too, though, but
Oh yeah.
that would have just been
Too much.
too much, yeah. Speaking of video games, have you been playing, what is it, Baldur's Gate 3?
I have not yet. I want to really bad.
I don't have anything that can play it. All I know is that people have been getting lost in it.
I got a PlayStation 5 like not too long ago and have been I'm trying to think, what did I play? I played, the very first thing I played on it was a game called Deathloop, which was really fun. And then just because it's made by the people who made like the Dishonored games, and I liked playing those when I was younger.
I just started getting into Skyrim, which has been
Oh, really?
out for what, 20 years?
Yeah, it's a lot of fun though. It's like, that's one of those games that like everyone memes on because it was released like over and over and over again, and it's like the standard fantasy thing. And it's also, it's really, really reductive system-wise compared to like other, like if you ever play the other Elder Scrolls series games, they're a lot more involved. Like they're similar to like tabletop games where you have to like create your class and etc. Whereas Skyrim, you just, here's a sword, go swing it kind of thing. It's fun though. I remember I was saying, because like I said, I just started playing Elden Ring, and then like booting it up and like playing it like made me feel like a 13-year-old again playing Skyrim for the first time. Just kind of like running around having absolutely no idea what's going on, and like just being like, wow, this is so cool or pretty, or like, what is that, whenever an enemy pops out.
Like I've never really been a console guy. 'Cause I've also always loved just going outside.
Yeah, and just having
doing things. So like, whenever I did have any time to play video games and stuff like that.
Yeah. No, did you do like Pokemon Go back in the day when that came out?
Oh, you know I did.
Because that's like the big, like, the nostalgia thing that a lot of people have had recently is like, man, remember 2016, 2017 when Pokemon Go first came out? And there was just tons of people outside being all friendly to each other, trying to catch Pokemon.
Yeah, I still
Like, that was such a nice time.
I never uninstalled it.
I recently like was really bored, and I was like looking at mobile games, because that's another thing too, is like nostalgia. Is like when I was younger, mobile games were like hype. Like you had Flappy Bird, and like there was only like 2 Angry Birds games.
I think my mom still plays Candy Crush. I think she's really good at it.
What is it?
I think my mom is level 600s.
Oh my god.
I don't think I ever made it to 100. I don't even know if I made it to 50.
Yeah.
I'm loving the beard, man.
Thanks. I did an Instagram poll that was like, should I shave my beard or not? And it was like a resounding no.
Yeah, I almost, I saw it. I almost said no. But it's like, you know, I would be a impartial third party. Yeah, I'm not going to grow anything ever.
Yeah. So that's the, like, whoever, your mother's father, so like your maternal grandfather, usually you have the same like body hairstyle, which is not, I don't know how true that is, but in my case it's true. So I assume it's true for everyone, you know, because that's how that works.
You're all set, man. What's it doing?
For my birthday, a friend of mine printed off a bunch of stickers of my cat. So I've just been giving them to people.
Yeah, I love it. I'm going to put it somewhere. Actually, probably going to put it on our fridge.
There you go.
We have a sticker fridge now.
All right, I'll see you.
All right, man.